What's up guys, yo, it's How to Code here. Today we'll be going through how to code a sign-up screen in Thunkable. This also works as a sign-in screen. So now all you want to do to begin is get a basic project going in Thunkable, and then you want to get two of these text inputs right here and just drag them onto the screen. Now what you're going to do with those text inputs, the first one you're going to call email and put in the hint area email. And now you can name it whatever you want. I just named it email sign up to make it easier. And then in the password, you're going to do the same thing but password and then password sign up. Now one thing you're going to do different with email is you're going to go down to keyboard type and select email address. Makes it easier for the user. Now, if you see these little lines in between those are just labels, which I just dragged and dropped between them, deleted the text in it, went down to height, went down to absolute size, and just put in 5. That just makes it so there's a little space, and it makes the app look good. Now, after you do that, you're going to want to drag 2 buttons onto the screen. The first you're going to call Sign Up, which will be, as you know, the sign up button. Once you put in your email and password and click that, it's going to let you sign up. So now you're going to want to put the text as sign up, and then you can name it again whatever you want. And then below that you're going to want to put in what I call a sign in button, which makes it so that if you already signed in, you put in your email and password, click here, and it signs you in. Alright, so the other 2 things that you want is the sign-in component and the local storage. The local storage, you just go to the data section and boom, local storage. Drag that onto the screen right there. No setup needed. Now, for the sign-in button, you're going to want to go down to authentication and drag that onto here. The sign-in button, you can change the Firebase settings. You don't have to. Thunkable comes with standard ones, but if you want better customization, then you're going to want to change it up, which you can find out how to in the link down below to the Thunkable docs. Check it out. Now let's go into the actual coding section of this thing. Okay, so now we're in the coding section, which is called blocks. So you may be thinking, wow, this is a lot, it looks complicated, I can't do it. No, it's really simple. So first off, we're going to focus in this sign up section right here. So here, you're going to want to go to your sign up button and drag out when sign up click do and put it on the screen. Then you get the 2 local storages. Both of them have to say call save and drag them into here. Then for the key value, for the first one you want to put in email, and for the second one, password. Now for the value of the email one, you want to go to your email sign up area and hit get text and drag that into the value. Then do the same thing for the password one. Then after you do that, you want to go to your sign in area and drag out the sign in call sign up and put it right here. And then again, get the from email sign up get text and from password sign up get text and put them in their respective areas. Then you want to do an if else statement. So that you go to control and get if do else right there and drag it out into this section. Now you want to drag the error section into the if area. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. This top label, you want to have nothing in it, okay? And you want to call it output. Nothing in it. Don't change the height or anything or the width. Don't mess with it. Now you're going to want from that output, whatever you call that top label, and put set text to error. That will tell you if there's an error with your program or not. And then if else, then you want to put check your email to verify your account. Now what this section does is that when after you sign up the first time and you go to sign back in to your account, when you load up this app, it gets your email and password that you used the last time you tried to sign up or sign in, and it autofills it in their respective areas. Now this last area is called When Sign In Button Click. Now here you just want to go into your sign in area and get Call Sign In and drag that right there. Again, put the email and password in there from the text boxes. And then down here is where it gets a little complicated. You want to get two if, do, else statements. The first one put in the then do area, and the second one put in the do area for the first if, do, else statement. Now you want to drag the is email verified section and put it right in the if section. Then in here you want to put the arrow block in the if, and then from output set text to error. If there is no error, then it'll just navigate you to the home screen right up here. If the email is not verified, then it'll set text to please verify your email. Now let's see all this in action. Okay, so here's just the email I'm using, email@example.com. Not a real email, don't try it. Password, and then you hit sign up. Boom, check your email to verify your account. And once you verify your account, which I can't do since it's a fake account, I put sign in here. And see, it says please verify your email. If it was verified, then it would put me to the home tab. Alright guys, so this is part 1 in a couple part series on how to build a basic app. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure you like and subscribe down below. Thanks for watching.